Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. As we know that students, due to the corona pandemic, your online class started from your school. So students, this is your science online class and myself Akanksha, I am your subject teacher of science. And today I am going to explain about your chapter 1, that is growing plant. What is the name of that chapter? That is growing plants. So unit 1, and in this chapter students you will know about the in this unit students you will know about the growing plants, food stuffs and food, why food needed by our body and what is the usage of the food, and 5 components included in our food. Okay, so students, this is your chapter 1 and the name of this chapter growing plants. So in this chapter students you will learn about the growing plants from seed, roots, stem and leaves, and students also you will know in this chapter about the process of germination and the stages of germination and the uh, seed scattering, that is called the dispersal of seed. So let us come with me and discuss about your chapter 1. Okay, growing plant is important as our life depends largely on them. As we know that students, the plant is very essential for our life because we all are fully depend on the plant for our necessary purposes. हम सभी प्लांट्स पर फुली डिपेंड हैं अपने ज़रूरतों के लिए, बिकॉज हमें सभी हमारे जितनी भी नीडेड हैं, हमारे थ्रू जितनी भी चीज़ें नीडेड हैं हमारे लिए, जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट्स हैं, दैट इज़ वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट. ओके, so you can students, you can see an activity given here. Maya bought a few vegetables from the market. Help her sort them into the largely bag. It means students, you can see a picture given here and you can say this is an activity. So you have to choose the correct vegetables and measure in the given bags. Means, and now students, let us come and discuss about the growing plants from seed. Students, we have to already know about the plant is very necessary for us. So before the other topics explanation, we will know about the we know about the how plant grow from a seed. Okay, the process of growing of a plant, it is very necessary for us. Before the explanation of this chapter, so let us discuss about the growing plants, how a plant grows. Okay, so firstly discuss about the how plant grows from the seed. Okay, students, plants are amazing. As we know that the plants are very amazing because the all necessary things we get from the plant. प्लांट्स हमारे लिए बहुत अमेजिंग है बिकॉज हमें जितनी भी हमारे इसेंशियल थिंग्स हैं वो हम प्लांट से ही गेट करते हैं. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, वन मोर थिंग, as we know that the very important gases, that is called the oxygen, we get from the plants, and for our daily life, for our survival, uh, the oxygen is needed by our body because we inhale the oxygen. So the oxygen we get from the plant, and plant is also absorb the carbon dioxide from our environment. And students, so we can say the all essential things we get from the plant. So the plant are very amazing for us. They can grow not only from seed but also from their root, stems and leaf. Students, the plants can grow not only from seed, it is grow from their roots, stems and leaves. It means प्लांट केवल सीड से ग्रो नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि वो रूट के थ्रू भी, स्टीम्स एंड लीव्स के थ्रू भी ग्रो करते हैं. Let us learn how new plants grow. Okay, students, let us come with me and know about the how a new plant grow. So firstly we will discuss about the growing plant from seeds. So in this topic, students, we will discuss about the how a plant grown from seed, मीन्स एक प्लांट सीड के थ्रू कैसे ग्रो करता है, इस टॉपिक में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. इफ़ यू ईट एन एप्पल और एन ऑरेंज, अगर आप कोई एप्पल ईट करते हैं या ऑरेंज ईट करते हैं, यू विल फाइंड सीड इनसाइड इट. तो आप देखते होंगे स्टूडेंट्स कि उस ऑरेंज या एप्पल के इनसाइड आपको कुछ सम सीड्स यू हैव टू गेट. न्यू प्लांट्स कैन ग्रो फ्रॉम दिस सीड्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द न्यू प्लांट्स कैन ग्रो फ्रॉम दिस सीड्स. So we have as we know that the structure of a bean seed is given alongside. You can see, students, the structure of a bean seed. The structure of a bean seed you can see. So let us come, firstly we will discuss about the structure of a bean seed. You can see, students, that is bean seed. So an outer covering called the seed. You can see this is the bean seed, okay, and also you can see the seed coat and protect the baby plant inside the seed, and you can see this is the baby plant along the inside the seed, okay. And now students, you can see the seed coat has a teeny holes through which the seed gets water. You can see the label of the seed coat. You can see the seed label of the seed coat, okay. And now the next is seed leaves are cotyledons, store food for the baby plant. Students, you can see the seed leaves. You can see the seed leaves and store food for the baby plant. These seed leaves are store food the baby plant. There are two parts in the bean seed, okay. So students, now discuss about the process of germination. How a plant grows from the seed, you can see in this process. The process by which a seed produce a new plant is called the germination. Okay students, the process by which a seed produces a new plant is called germination. Now repeat again, what is the germination? The process by which a seed produces a new plant is called germination. It means students, the process by which, वो process जिसके थ्रू कोई भी प्लांट एक सीड से प्रोड्यूस होता है, एंड बाय द सीड अ न्यू प्लांट प्रोड्यूस, दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोसेस ऑफ जर्मिनेशन, ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट ऑल सीड्स जर्मिनेट इनटू न्यू प्लांट. सभी सीड एक न्यू प्लांट में जर्मिनेट नहीं होते हैं. सम सीड्स आर इटन अप बाय बर्ड एंड इंसेक्ट्स, सम गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय द रेन एंड द विंड, while some seeds do not get the right condition to germinate. स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं आपके घरों में जब फार्मिंग की जाती है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जितने भी सीड्स हम लोग फार्मिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं वो सभी प्रॉपरली जर्मिनेट होते हैं, बिकॉज द सम सीड ईटन बाय द बर्ड, इंसेक्ट एंड सम गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय द रेन एंड द विंड, एंड while some seed do not get the right condition to the germinate. Okay students, so students, let us come and know about the what is the needed by the plant for the growing. Seed needs air, water and warmth to germinate into seedling, okay. If a seed does not give any one of the three, it will not germinate. It means students, seed needs air, water and warmth. एक प्रॉपर जर्मिनेशन के लिए सीड को एयर की नीड होती है, वाटर एंड वार्म की नीड होती है, एंड देन वो जर्मिनेट होता है एंड चेंज इनटू द सीडलिंग्स. इफ अ सीड डज नॉट रिसीव एनी वन ऑफ द थ्री, इट विल नॉट जर्मिनेट. अगर किसी सीड को प्रॉपरली ये सभी चीज़ें नहीं दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, वो अगर उन्हें नहीं मिलेगा तो वो प्रॉपरली जर्मिनेट नहीं करेंगे. ओके. Now students, you can see the following picture shows the different stages germination in bean seed. You can see the process of germination, and the first process is, firstly we will sow the seeds in the ground, under the ground, and then you can see the second stage, the bean is grown, and firstly the root is grown from the seed, and then the seeds, firstly students, the seed gets air, water and warmth. जब एक seed को air, water and warmth मिलता है, then the seed soaks up water, the seed coat breaks and the root emerges. तब वो seed water को soak करता है and seed coats उसके break होते हैं and then उसमें से root emerge होता है. And now you can see the third position. The new plant develop roots and a shoot. In the by the seed, there are two parts divided. First is the root and another one is shoot. Means below the ground that is called the root and upper the ground that is called the shoot. You can see this is the root and this is the shoot. Okay. Now you can see the level 4. As the plant grown in size, it develops leaves. जब plants ground से थोड़े ऊपर आते हैं, then उनमें leaves grow करते हैं. You can see the leaves, and you can see also an adult plant, and this adult plant able for the making food. Means एक adult plant with the help of the sunlight, water, air की help से and अपनी leaves की help से वो अपने स्टोमेटा के थ्रू ब्रीथ भी करेगा एंड अपने फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस को भी कंप्लीट करेगा. ओके. सो दिस इज द स्टेजेस ऑफ जर्मिनेशन इन अ बीन सीड. यू कैन सी द लेवल ऑफ द जर्मिनेशन. ओके. देयर आर 4 process and the cotyledons shrink and disappear. Okay. So this is the 5 process of the germination of a bean seed. Okay. So students, now this is your chapter explanation, and this is the first part of this chapter. So in the now the next chapter, in the next chapter we will discuss about the dispersal. Okay students, so bye all of you. Take care yourself at your home. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay.